Well, hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Call Boss Lee. And today we are going to be working on my 2006 Ford Freestyle, and we're going to replace the windshield washer reservoir. So the windshield washer fluid motor pump does not work currently, and it is built into the reservoir itself. So we're going to replace the whole reservoir. It's got new lines, new pump, everything. So we're going to replace that. So we're going to take this bad boy into the shop and we'll start tearing her apart. Alrighty, so here's our old windshield washer fluid container, and it looks pretty simple to take off. We have a bolt down towards the bottom, right below our AC unit line. We're gonna have another one up top here, right below your coolant line, and then we're gonna have one more, which is bolted to the side of the fender right down there. So when we take it out, we're gonna have an electrical connection right down there, and then we're gonna have another electrical connection. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right between that coolant line right there. So we're gonna go ahead and take those apart. So we're gonna take those 3 screws off, and then we're gonna gently pry this off, not hitting the AC line. We're also gonna have to disconnect our refrigerant line here, and then also our overflow for our coolant reservoir. We're just gonna pop this out and get it out of the way. And then we should be able to gently pull this out. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so now I have got my new reservoir as well as a new pump motor. It looks like the motor was actually gone on the other one, which is why it wasn't pumping, but we just got a new reservoir as well. And now we're good to make our connections. So I'm gonna go ahead and make our 2 line connections, one for the front and one for the back, and then our electrical connection. And I'm going to screw this reservoir back into its holes, and we'll go ahead and give it a shot. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so I've got my new windshield washer fluid reservoir in there. I got the connections made. I put the connection back on the AC line, coolant hoses, everything is put back together like it is stock. It is completely full, so let's go ahead and give it a test drive. Alrighty, so we're in the car. Let's go ahead and give it a try. And it is working just perfectly. And then the back as well. Everything seems to be working fine. So everything works correctly. Alrighty guys, so that concludes today's video on the windshield washer fluid reservoir / pump replacement. It was a pretty simple process once you got the coolant connections out of there. It was a pretty simple process. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give this video a like. If you have not already, subscribe to Call Boss Lee, and we'll catch you on the next one. It's what you made.